This is video number 7. So I worked on the pedals just a little bit more and the whole system, and I put a little oil down here, LPS2 actually, right there and right there. It was binding, the springs were binding, and so now I have a really good system going here, just like that. And I believe we can tell by moving the rear pedals, and you can see how the front pedal return spring is working on the right pedal, and here's the left. But I also wanted to show that there can be a problem back here if you've restored your Cub and possibly you haven't looked at this recently, and you see the wear pattern. It's kind of hard to tell, but there it is. And just to show you, on the other side, how much it's worn. So it's important to lubricate these pieces, these screws, bolts. It's very important that you check them, because this probably flew close to 28 years, and maybe they were never lubricated. Maybe they were, but not much. But it's obvious, as you can see, that that's important. So if you've possibly have a restorations few years old, you might want to pop those out and look at them, or at least lubricate them occasionally, at least during your annual. Thank you. Have a great day.